Straight stitch is the most basic embroidery stitch. Come up through the back of the fabric at one point and go back down through the top of the fabric at another point, creating a straight line. Backstitch starts out with a single straight stitch, up then down, and then you will move ahead one stitch length before coming up through the fabric again. From here, you will move backwards, going back down through the fabric in the same hole that your last stitch ended. Move ahead one stitch length, come up through the fabric, and go back down at the end of the previous stitch. Whipped backstitch starts out with, you guessed it, a backstitch. Once you have completed the backstitch, bring your needle and thread up through the fabric at the end of your last stitch, and then weave underneath the stitch. Keep weaving under the rest of the stitches. It does not matter which direction you choose, top to bottom, left to right, as long as you weave in the same direction for every stitch. You will not put your needle and thread back down through the fabric until you have woven under the last stitch.